Great news here at Ipack-Ima 2025 for Tiberpack. They receive a very important award. Manolito Ciabatti, COO and CTO of the company, will tell us more. A great reason of pride for Tiberpack. They have received here at Ipack-Ima an important award from the Istituto Italiano dell'Imballaggio.
Yes, we are proud to announce that we have won a prize for the Nicetuck, our patented solution for the glue-free case packing.
Could you tell us more? What about the features?
This is a system that permits to close the carton without glue or tape. So it's a sort of magic system, let's say, and in a sustainable way we can improve the process of case packing.
Why did you project this kind of solution?
Because we want to give our support to the planet, and this impacts a lot on the planet. We have a study from the TÜV that says that the reduction of pollution of climate change is 51% respect to a standard machine.
Speaking about the sustainability, for example, how did you achieve in the project this point?
Thanks to the Rockwell technology, we achieve the results to a strong reduction of the clamping because the brushless engines are connected in daisy chain instead of a standard connection. The reduction is around 90%, so strongly.
The line is suitable for what targets?
It's suitable to produce a lot of the goods on the market and give a lot of economy advantage to the customer that choose this technology, and even it's better for the planet.
So we can say high quality technology, high quality components.
Yes, of course, thanks to Rockwell.